Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to cancel automatic payments on PayPal in just a few easy steps. This works for subscriptions like Spotify, Netflix, or any other service you've linked to your PayPal account. First, go to your PayPal account and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. From there, click on the Payments tab. Now look for the option that says Manage Automatic Payments and click on it. From here, follow these instructions to cancel an automatic payment. Read the How It Works section above. Once canceled, PayPal will no longer process automatic payments for that merchant. Super simple, right? This will stop any future charges from that service on your PayPal account. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.